Alright, so welcome to another episode of the PW50 Adventures. I'm John and that's Rennen.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
And we've already done two of these. We did Orlando MX and we did Spider MX. Today we're going to go to a new track, which is, what's it called? You can't remember? Is it Dade City?
Yeah.
Dade City MX. So Dade City is a little bit different because it's a full-size MX track. But they have Thursday night PW practice from 4:30 to 7:30 or 7 or something like that. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Tell us what bikes we got loaded up.
We got Yamaha and Honda. The PW's a two-stroke, and that's the racing bike because it's fast and it could win every race. And this is the home bike because it's a four-stroke. It's not fast.
Well, he's got most of that correct. So the CRF50 is a better bike for the backyard, and the PW is a better bike for the motocross track, and one that he's more comfortable on. So Dade City MX is about hour 45 to 2 hours away. So we're gonna head out here in a little bit, make the travel up there, right?
Yeah. In 1 minute.
We're gonna have a fun day up there and try out the real track, right? No PW track here. This is the actual motocross track, and it's said that this is where most of the faster PWs go in Florida. What in the world are you doing? Do you want me to drive all the way to Dade City with you up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go to Dade City and check it out. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, made it to Dade City. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Okay, so we're signed in. It looks pretty cool out there. It's a real track, isn't it? Are you excited? Yeah. Alright, let's get unloaded and we'll get out there. So what do you think? Huh?
Yeah.
It looks pretty cool, huh? It's a real motocross track.
Some of them are casing that.
Yeah.
They're all casing. They can't.
See, that's all you need to do is just roll.
Yeah, but I like jumping.
Yeah, the PW's not going to be able to clear any of these.
No, but I see the bigger arcade is over there where the big guys race.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. For myself. KTM can't even make it.
No, they can't. All right, let's go. Big motocross racer. How was it?
Good.
Is it crazy?
Yeah.
Really big?
Yeah.
Yeah, was it fun?
Yeah, I like it.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
All right, cool. think of your first time around Dade City?
Good.
Yeah? Like, what do you like about it?
I like the jumping, and there's braking bumps out there, and I saw there was no braking bumps. There's only one braking bump, and each turn there was none.
So this is a real motocross track. Those jumps are real high. Was the Pee-wee having a hard time going up them?
No, I just going full throttle up them.
Just going full throttle? Did you get good air?
Yeah.
Yeah? Like, how high do you think you went?
This high.
That high?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, that's it? I think you went higher than that. Did you have a couple of wobbly tank slappers on the top of that big jump?
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
I just would just do this. Ah! And
Is that what happened? I did. I saw your feet come off. It kind of looked like that.
like this.
Show us how it looked. Yeah, your feet came off, and did you almost fall?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you ready to go back out again?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Cobras.
No, we're not going with Cobras. Cobras are out now. You go out with Pee-wees. You still got a lot of work to do. There's some Pee-wees out there that are really fast. So what are you gonna do about those fast Pee-wees?
I'm just gonna break them off.
You're just gonna break them off? You mean you're gonna try to follow them and find out how they're faster than you?
No, I'm just gonna push them off. Like.
Well, that's not nice. How about you follow them and try to figure out how they're so fast? Yeah? Yeah? Are
Yeah.
you zoning out? What do you think?
I'm eating hot dog fries.
You ate a hot dog? Was it good? Huh? I can't hear you.
I'm eating hot dog fries.
Oh, you ate your hot dog and fries? Okay. So, nice track dinner. It's a nice track. Do you like the track?
Yeah.
What do you got there? Blue Gatorade?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a good concession stand here, that's for sure. There's a nice building where you sign up over there. They got a nice sign up spot. They got a nice concession stand. So the facilities here at Dade City are super nice. A nice bathroom, which is rare for a motocross track. So I'd say this is one of the...
Best tracks ever.
Whoa, wait, hold on. Let's hear that.
Best tracks ever.
You say this is the best track ever? Is it better than Spider MX?
Spider MX in this track.
All right, so what about Orlando MX? So you like, what's your favorite, Dade City or Spider MX?
Dade City.
Now, let me ask you about PAX tracks.
Pack track 2.
So, is Dade City your favorite? You like being on the big track?
Yeah.
That's the biggest difference here, is that you're on the big track and not a Pee-wee track, right? So how was that? Tell me about the big track.
I like jumping the tabletops and the little doubles. And when one's coming up, I tried to shift through there and mind them. I got jump over there, and if I clear it, jump it, makes them happy.
Yeah. What do you want to tell the other kids that might think about coming here?
Buy a 110.
Buy a 110? Why?
Because you could go straight into the woods.
That makes no sense at all. No, I'm talking about if there's kids out there that are looking to ride their Pee-wees on a track, what would you say before they came out here? Advice. What kind of advice would you give them?
Buy a Cobra.
Buy a Cobra?
And wait.
All right, so let's narrow it down a little bit more. If they have a Pee-wee just like yours and they wanted to come to Dade City, what kind of advice would you give them?
Like the Pee-wee. They were in different classes. There's no Cobras. You don't have to worry about them.
So that's an interesting thing. There's different. They run different groups. The Pee-wee and like a CRF kind of group, and then they run the Cobra and KTM group. That was pretty nice, wasn't it? So you didn't have to worry about the big, faster Cobras coming through. Well, that's a pretty good piece of advice. All the other Pee-wee tracks just run all the small bikes at the same time, don't they? Yeah. So, well, that's pretty good. I like that. Good advice. Okay, so we'll have a nice dinner. We'll pack everything up, and we'll head the 2 hours home. Don't fall asleep.
Oh, no way. I'm just going to happy.
All right, so that's it. Anything else you want to say before we head back home?
Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell.
What is it?
Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell.
Yeah, to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Yeah. What kind of noise does a dirt bike make? Hey, what kind of noise does a dirt bike make? No, come here, tell me. How does a dirt bike sound?
It's too loud.
I didn't hear a dirt bike sound. How do they sound, Cal?
It's too loud for them.
All right, say bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.